ṣé wá rí gbogbo èyí tẹ̀ ń pe Lande lí pé Lande go ni o Ọlọ́run Lande ogo rárá ṣé rí ìgbà tó tó time kan Lande padà wá ń ṣóyàwó ẹ̀ lójú méjèèjì bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín ó wá ń gbà àwọn ẹ̀rí kan dání mú Lande wá ń gbà àwọn ẹ̀rí mú Lande wá ń rí àwọn ẹ̀rí ìdánilójú kan kí ló dé tí Lande fi wá ń rí àwọn ẹ̀rí ìdánilójú yẹn ni pé ṣé rí ọ̀rẹ́ ìyàwó Lande Marigold àbí kí ló ń pè yìí ó sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan fún Lande ìgbà tó wá sọ yẹn fún Lande Lande ò ṣe bíi pé òun kàrọ̀ yẹn kún Lande ní kó gbójú so àtìgbà yìí ni Lande ti ń ṣọ́ ìyàwó ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run Lande tẹ́ ń wò yẹn tó bá sọ fún yín pé nǹkan báyìí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ má dá ọ̀tẹ̀ o nítorí pé àwọn ẹ̀rí tó ṣì kù lọ́wọ́ Lande Ọlọ́run gbọ́ ó yapa ṣe rí particular man káwé àtẹ́ńṣẹ́ ní bẹ̀rẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí Lande bá bọ́ ọ̀tà tó bá dárúkọ yín ẹ̀rù á bá ẹ̀yin gan Lande náà mọ̀ pé ìrúnyàwó òun o kẹ́rẹ̀ lọ dákẹ́ kẹ́rẹ̀ lọ fọwọ́ rọgí ìgbàgbé Lande mọ̀ pé yín náà ń rúnyàwó òun ó mọ̀ dáadáa ó kàn ṣe bí pé òun ò mọ̀ ni o Lande mọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀rí tẹ̀yìn rò pé Lande ò mọ̀ there was a day tí Lande àti tíyàwó Lande àti Marigold jáde tí Lande wá tí Marigold wá wọlé àti ìyàwó Lande tẹ wá ń parọ́ fún Lande pé ẹ lọ ṣe fóònù ni bá Lande raṣọ bọ̀ bá Lande wà láìtàláì gbogbo ìrìn tẹ́rìn ń jọ yẹn from A to Z ní Lande mọ̀ from A to Z ní Lande mọ̀ ṣé ẹ fẹ́ gbọ́ Lande tún ṣọ́ wà láì ọpọlọ èèyàn obìnrin ó kéré gan ẹ tún síbí òun mo ṣe máa ń sọ fún yín pé má rìnrìn ìdẹ̀tí nítorí àwọn ẹlòmíín wà tó ń ṣọ́ ẹ tí wọn ò dẹ̀ ṣọ́ àdúrà tó máa gbà ní pé kọ́lọ̀ ń gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹni tó ń ṣọ́ wa tá a ṣọ́ báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ ṣọ́ ẹni báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ ṣọ́ ara ẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹni tó ń ṣọ́ ẹ tó ṣọ́ Lande máa gbogbo nǹkan tẹ̀ sọ Lande ó ṣọ̀dẹ̀ o ìwọ obìnrin tó bá fẹ́ wọnú ayé Lande tí tó ń rò pé Lande jọdẹ Lande ó ṣọ̀dẹ̀ o ó kàn nífẹ̀ẹ́ ni ẹ wo ẹ padà máa gbọ́ wìrìwìrì bẹ́ẹ̀ ni because Lande máa tú nǹkan tí ò yẹ kó tú níbi tí lady ìyàwó Lande yìí stupid dé wà láì gbogbo wọn tó ń bá Lande ṣiṣẹ́ ní lady ti fún lóyá yọ̀dí subhanallah.
You see that gist about Lande and his wife and manager with Baba T is just so messy and it's so shameful that a married woman would come out to even defend herself in this type of situation because she has nothing to say. Trust me, I was on that live yesterday and to say I am ashamed is an understatement. So apparently the whole gist is the manager took her to Babati's house, as a friend and introduced her, blah, 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 blah. And one thing led to the other. They started playing Truth or Dare. Truth or Dare. She dared him to do different things to her, dared her, they started playing dirty. And at the end of the day, something happened. Babati said he did not sleep with Lande's wife. He only did a quickie with one Dara. Well, Dara is Lande's wife, right? So something happened, Babati. I know you are trying to play mind games. We get it. But one thing I'm going to say is, as a married woman, there are some certain things that you should not be caught doing, that you should not even attempt doing at all. If truly you weren't interested, you could have just stood up and said, I don't want to be here. You have every right to stand up and leave, right? And even before your friend would even introduce you to such a thing, it means that she knew that you were easily accessible, that you are not a no kind of woman. You would definitely not say no. That's why she had the audacity to even introduce such a dirty game to you. And as per the friend too, I'm very sure that there might be times that this girl has been looking at you and be thinking, oh, I want this life. Or if I'm on the streets, you have to be on the street. So maybe you guys did some certain things together before she got married. And seeing that you're with a man that really adores you and is obsessed with you, now I should be like, no, if I can't have this life, then she can have it. Some friends are like that, because what I saw with the whole situation is Marigold knew what she was doing. It looked like a setup. She knew that that was the kind of woman that you had. That's why she invited you to Babati's place. And she knew that she wanted to set you up. She set you up and you fell for it because that's who you are. So nobody's going to excuse your shameful act. That is who you are. You are just a woman who is, you know, who is shameless. Who is shameless. And I'm not going to mince words. Dara, Lande's wife, you are a disgrace to every married woman. You are the type of married woman people come out to use as an example to curse other married women. This is the reason a lot of men come out to say married women cheat, because of women like you. How could you, as a married woman, stay out of your house for 4 days and go sleep in your friend's house with another man? The whole thing that I had in that live yesterday was just messy. Really bothered me. And I'm really worried with the way things are going on these days. Like, no altar of shame. People just do things because they want to do it. Like, how can you as a married woman stoop so low? How? And as for people saying that Babati was just being a man, I'm going to say this. Babati, as a man, you need to be disciplined. Trust me. Anything could have happened. Something could have been on that girl's body. Forget using condoms, using protection. What if they actually used that to set you up? Maybe somebody just wanted your noodles. Maybe somebody was trying to bring you down, and they actually asked that girl to come so they could use that video online for something. It's really bad that men just think that once they see a woman seduces them, they have to fall for it. As a man, you're an adult. You have every right to say no as well. You know, you saying that I did not sleep with Lande's wife, I slept with Dara. You slept with somebody, you did a quickie with somebody, and that somebody is Dara, and Dara happens to be Lande's wife. I know that you are trying to play with words, but I saw through it, and it's really sad. This whole thing is just it's just cringy to me. And Lande, whatever it is that you want to do, let me tell you, that woman, I know you're obsessed with her, you love her, but she doesn't have the same feeling. The feeling is not mutual, and that's pretty obvious. And as per your manager does not have your best interest at heart too, because if she did, she wouldn't introduce a friend that she knew was wayward to you, because she knew that girl was wayward before introducing her to you. Even if you did not really meet her through the introduction, I'm very sure that after she noticed that you were falling for that girl, she could have given you the lowdown. Oh, mom, she's for the street, so she's not wifeable. She's not a woman you should get married to. Because it's obvious that this girl knew that Dara was promiscuous, but she still let you get married to her. So it's pretty sad. The whole thing is messy, it's dicey. And if truly Marigold was the one that recorded that video, girl, come on. I don't think that was necessary. But yeah, you wanted to let Lande know that his wife was promiscuous. Whatever it is that you did, if you did it with Lande's goodwill, for Lande's goodwill, then good. But if not, then you too as a girl, they're supposed fear will no fear you. Come on. Hey, let me tell you, there are some single friends that want you to be single like them. That is why some men will say their wife should not be friends with single women. But I always say something. It is your wife that is the problem. Your wife is an adult. I don't think that at this age somebody would be influencing me to do what I don't want to do. Come on now. Come on. The whole thing is just crazy. I hope that they are able to sort it all out and everybody can, go their different places, because these are things that should be unheard of. Things that we shouldn't be hearing on social media. But it is what it is. Anyways, all the best to all of them, truth or dare, married woman. Come on now.
O jáde, o ti explain ìyẹn Babati. Òyìnbó ló fi explain. You explain everything in English. Gbogbo àjọmọ̀ pé Lande understand English. Tó bá parọ́ mọ́ nínú explanation yẹn gan, kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ mọ̀, because kò gbé èbò, ọlọ́dáríjì mi o. But ó wá jáde, ẹni tẹ́ ẹjọ́ ń fa ọ̀rọ̀, kò understand yẹn dáadáa. Ó wá jáde, òun kọ́kọ́ fi òyìnbó explain yẹn lásán. Ọlọ́pàá máa kọ́ everybody. Ṣó ti yé? Ó ti ṣàbòsí mẹ́yẹn. Ó ti ń ṣòjóró. Má fòyìnbó explain. A mọ̀ pé Lande lè máa understand àwọn àárín ibi tó bá parọ́ mọ́ ń gò lè mọ̀. Náà oní Marigold ló mú ìyàwó Lande wá bẹ́ẹ̀ nílé, wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe skit kan, skit maker ni, kinní kan ni. Kí ni relationship tó wà láàrin Babati àti Marigold? Ó wá débẹ̀, bọ́dẹ̀ ṣe débẹ̀ pẹ̀lú explanation tí wọ́n sọ o. Olówọlé, ó lè bí ń pa òun, ó ní kinní kan ṣe, ó ní kó wọ kitchen. Èèyàn tó free láti lè wọ kitchen yẹn, ó ti lọ fàáfà tí ò dẹ̀ kì í ṣe ìyàwó ilé ẹ̀ tó lè wọ kitchen yẹn tí ò ṣàbúrò ẹ̀ tí ò ṣọmọ yẹ tí ò ṣe last born yẹ ibo lẹ́jọ́ bá dé tí Marigold ń wọ kitchen yẹn tó dẹ̀ má lè jò wá ó dẹ̀ sọ pé òdà ìyàwó Lande mọ̀ gbogbo Nàìjíríà gan mọ̀ ìyàwó Lande because ìgbà tí Lande sọnù ìyàwó ẹ̀ ṣàwà sórí social media tó lò jáàbù tó ń sunkún kọ́ bá ń wọ́kọ̀ ń wo kàn jọ o táìmù yẹn gan ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ló mọ̀ ìyàwó Lande ọ̀rọ̀ tá a dẹ̀ ń sọ kò ń sọ̀rọ̀ dc ẹ̀ ìyẹn lásán wàá ṣàmọ̀ ìyàwó Lande ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ ìyàwó Lande náà àbí oní 5 years ago lẹ ti ra yín lẹ ti ṣe òwà nímọ̀ ìyàwó Lande ẹni tó ti post ìyàwó ẹ̀ rí òwà nímọ̀ ìyàwó Lande tó popular tó yẹn òwà náà mú wá bẹ́ẹ̀ ńlé náà olóòjáde lọ mú nǹkan nínú mọ́tò kí ló lọ mú nínú mọ́tò táwọn àlejò wá kí ẹ ó tiẹ̀ wá condom ọmú nǹkan nínú mọ́tò mi mọ̀kan tó lọ mú nínú mọ́tò ó wá lọ wọlé padà wọ́n ti gbé drink wà wọ́n ti gbé drink lẹ̀ wọ́n láwọn ń play game kí wọ́n tó wọnú mọ́tò wọ́n ní kàn ṣe kinní kan ṣe gbá I don't understand èèyàn tó free nínú ilé ẹ̀ tó lè gbọ́ sílẹ̀ tó lè máa play game wọ́n ní you can actually bail yourself out you can actually ṣe kinní kan o lè ṣe gbá àyẹn ti ń lọ fàáfàá tẹ́pẹ́ ọ̀tọ̀ nìkan tán bá wá skit náà bá wá wọn fèsì nǹkan tán bá wá ẹ ti ń gbọ́ sílẹ̀ fẹ́ máa play game tí ìbá ipẹ́ ti ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ èèyàn kọ́ dẹ̀ máa wọnú ilé mi sìn á dẹ̀ bọ́ sínú fíríjì mi àbí kó bọ́ sínú báà mi kó lóun fẹ́ gbé wáìnì nílẹ̀ òun fẹ́ máa tí ìbá ipá ti ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ àyà dẹ̀ máa kó ó dẹ̀ máa free to that extent kò ń ṣe first time náà wá sọ pé o lè bèè lára ẹ̀ out ó wá ṣe wọ́n ti ń mú kinní ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ìwọ wá lọ mú nǹkan nu mọ́tò ó kàn gbọ́ ni láì ṣe Yorùbá fíìmù àwọn á sọ pé ṣé kìí ṣe pé baba tí ti mọ̀ kí ni baba tí mọ̀ ṣé ìwọ nìkan ló wà ní industry tó ṣe wá fẹ́ set wọ́ ọ̀pá àgbàlagbà kí ló ṣe báyìí pé ó ní kankan tó o ṣe wọ́n fẹ́ bóyá fẹ́ fi set up yà máa bójú ẹja ṣébi tí mi ò ṣẹ́ táàjọ ní pending discussion táàjọ ní ọ̀rọ̀ àsọtì kan tí ò jọ sí kankan tó jọdà wá pọ̀ wà á dẹ̀ wá sínú ilé mi ẹ̀dẹ́ ìgbé wà ní ma pé ṣé kìí ṣe pé ó ti mọ̀ nínú ilé mi ó máa ní nǹkan tẹjọ bá dé bó máa ní nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ náà ó wá sọ pé kinní kan ó ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí ó máa sú ó máa fọlọ́pàá gbé lápá abo tí Lande bá tiẹ̀ wá gbọ́ àwọn tó máa dìde ńkọ́ àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan wà tó yẹ pé just let it be like that even bí tó ti post video baba tí page tó ti post video tó ti ń explain yìí lásán èpè pọ̀ ní comment section yẹn àwọn èèyàn tún sọ ní comment section yẹn pé Marigold ti sọ̀rọ̀ ó ti kọrin ó ti gbẹ́nu sí mic ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ jì pé you do am you knack am àwọn èèyàn tó wá ń bèrè ní comment section pé you knack am àbí wọ́n tún wá ń bu sí wọ́n tún wá ń bu sí kó tún wá lọ gbé lọ́yà jáde yẹn ó tún lè lọ fàáfà ju bí ọ̀gán ṣe lérò lọ because gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ mẹ́rin gan lásán gan ó múrọ́ dání gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ nú fídíò yẹn ó múrọ́ dání náà Marigold wá sílé ẹ kí ni relationship láàrin wa àti Marigold àbí kò ṣe dìse Marigold tá a mọ̀ kí ni relationship láàrin wa àti Marigold tó kò fi lè wọnú ilé ẹ̀ kankan ebi ń pa òun ó dé tá ìdí ebi ń pa òun ó ti ní kó wọnú kitchen kí lẹjọ́ ń fà láì ṣe pé ẹ̀ ń dóra yín kó wọnú kitchen ó dẹ̀ má lè jò wá wá sọ pé ó má lè jò yẹn o ò mọ kíní kan kò sọ fún ẹ pé ìyàwó Lande ni kò wá ní sọ fún ẹ pé ìyàwó Lande Marigold máa wá mu wá wípé skit maker ni kí wá ní Lande tí ìyàwó Lande tó bá fẹ́ ṣe skit ṣó iṣẹ́ ọkọ ẹ̀kọ́ ni abọ́kẹ́ ò kí ṣe skit maker kò lè dìde látara ọkọ ẹ̀ kò bọ́kọ ẹ̀ gan ṣe skit àwa jẹ́wọ́ náà máa mú wá fún ó dàbí kó sọ pé fẹ́ mú ìyàwó Portable fẹ́ máa kọrin kó lọ mú bá Davido kódà káwọn èèyàn má láì kò orin Portable gan áì dìde látara ọkọ ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ yẹn ná ìwọ gan ò ní lè sọ fárá àtàgàn pé olórin yẹn ò fẹ́ máa kọrin ó wá fẹ́ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan kó ẹ̀pù ẹ̀ wọ́n máa bú ọkọ ẹ̀ látara ẹ̀ pé ṣọ́kọ ẹ̀ ò gùdù ni gọ́sìkò tó fẹ́ lọ fowó ra nǹkan yẹn ṣé kò sí nílé ló wà nílé ọmọ ìyá lákàrà tó fẹ́ lọ ra àkàrà tí ìyá dẹ̀ ṣì ń dín àkàrà tákàrà wà nílẹ̀ ó wá fẹ́ lọ ra àkàrà ń bì kan ṣé ìyá ò mọ̀ ọ́ dín ni question tó máa béèrè nìyẹn ọmúyàwó Lande wá bá ẹ Mr Promoter kó wá bá wọn promote àbí kó wá bá wọn ṣe kí ni relationship àárín ìwọ àti Marigold kí ni ọmúyàwó Lande wá ṣe lọ́dún ẹ àwọn kọ́kọ́ tó jẹ́ pé you can actually let it go there are some story that meant to be left alone don't even talk about it torí bó bá ṣe sọ pé òun wí àwíjàre wàá tún máa ṣàdámọ́ rẹ lẹ́sẹ̀ ó wá pé yes ó máa take up àwọn kọ́kọ́ àti pé tẹ bá ti jọ ń bára yín jà táwọn bá ti pé ó yẹ kó sùn ẹni ó yẹ kó ṣe kinní kan ẹni tó jàre lè padà jẹ̀bi ẹni tó jẹ̀bi lè padà jàre òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ni ó lè padà jàre ó lè padà jẹ̀bi ó fẹ́ sùn ẹ̀ wọ́n á ní ṣe torí pé ó ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn kọ́kọ́ àti pé ẹ̀kan just leave it.
Àròyé TV rèé ẹ láìkì ẹ sọ̀scribe kẹ́ ẹ sì máa fọ́lọ́.
Òkè la wà téńté.